So here we are, traders. It's continuation of the first lesson from early this morning. We are at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Scanner giving me multiple short alerts. We already discussed with traders shorts. So if you choose to touch the short, you're extremely clear where your stop is. Your stop on your stop bracket order is 3075. Not a tick sooner. On your short, your critical target to the downside next. This. What price will do at this level will determine markets for hours to come. This is the end of the minor trend. This is the levels that identifies counter trend targets. As of right now, we're treating this firmly as counter trend move. In order to treat this as a trend move, you need a lot more confirmation. Buyers remain fully in charge. If this level respected to the downside, it means sellers remain very, very weak. It means bullish trend is major. When bearish trend will become major, scanner will light up not one alert on Nasdaq and S&P. Scanner will light up 10, 15, 20 alerts to choose from. Market synchronicity will be present. Scanner lighting up only one. 5 prices showing you it's a clear counter trend move. You are on defense, and this is the reason the short taking such a pause. Zero surprises here. So while we're monitoring the short very, very carefully, let's recap all that played out this morning. Market was at critical support before market open. Ultimate place to buy at ultimate support. At the market open, we are at critical resistance. We discussed buyers remain fully in charge. We discussed it is extremely aggressive long. We discussed zero sellers are present. We discussed when price comes to reversal zone only worthless pullbacks. Now, market starts moving lower. Finally, what is a critical obstacle to the downside? This level. Until this level is out, it's a counter trend, a short. We don't have bearish synchronicity. None are present. It's a crawl. Clear on that? And that's the reason this level is so bright pink. It shows you counter trend move in a progress. So if you're not aggressive trader, you are not touching any shorts. There is no bearish synchronicity. Market is not in free fall. Market stuck in clear counter trend move. This level will determine a lot to come next. This level is crucial. So when I worked in Johns Hopkins research, I saw the power of colors on human brain. That's the reason this color is so bright pink, that you would never ever ignore this level, especially if you choose to take counter trend trade. Agree? Everyone with me? Marvelous. Boom! Beautiful job, Jerry. 3, 1.25, 1.5 points. Brilliant trader. We knew extremely well where it's not too short. We knew extremely well where it is too short. And as I warned you, it's a tough trade, as Brad would know. As you can see, Brad's video and Brad's story under Alpha Fibonacci review page. Are we surprised this level is respected? Of course not. We know extremely well it's a counter trend move. Correct? So price right now skyrocketing and reversing. That would mean sellers are weak. That would mean bearish trend remains minor. That would mean it is aggressive trade. Correct? So here we go, stunning example and stunning reminder. Bearish trend is not major yet. This is critical target that brilliant trader walked away with. This level shown clearly with ultimate precision that even on extremely aggressive counter trend trade, key target is reached. And that's again the power of the method. And that's again what you saw on Apple in the previous video as critical alpha Fibonacci support. Let me remind you. So this was exact same identical lesson. Identical alpha Fibonacci level on Apple when Apple was at 93 and came out with the worst earnings in 13 years. Apple respected this level and doubled in value despite worst earnings in 13 years. And again, as you saw in the previous video, continued higher and reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone where Apple crushed from and reached the bottom where Apple rallied from. Correct? Reaching critical resistance again and struggling for months again to the upside. And this is S&P now. Identical level as when Apple was at 93. Identical support and counter trend target. So price is not crashing through this level. It means buyers remain fully in charge. It means bearish trend, counter trend. As I warned you since early this morning. Brilliant trader understand what the trend move is. Brilliant trader understand what a counter trend move is. If this level remains respected, it means sellers counter trend only. It means market stuck in narrow range. Price is not crashing through. This is the only option that's available to you. And that's ultimate precision on stunning October 15th. Again and again and again, that's shown you. Predictive power of alpha Fibonacci levels. Predictive power of alpha Fibonacci strategies. With ultimate precision and ultimate accuracy. So when you see buyers stepping in from this level, you are not surprised. Because if I will remind you this exact same level in European session and pre-market, this is a lesson that hand-holding never ever works. Knowledge does. So when buyers step in with vengeance outside of the market open, your trading day is over before trading even begun. Brilliant trader that respects the rules trades a lot less than 2 hours per day. Buying here is a world of difference than buying here. Market stuck. So if you choose to buy into reversal zone, this is what you get. Not a brilliant place to buy. But if you choose to sell counter trend and you do not know where alpha Fibonacci level is and you're throwing trade into the market randomly, ouch, not a good idea. But if you play by the rules, the sky's the limit. So please, review the information on the website and decide what you want to trade and how. If you want trading for any instrument, any time frame, any platform. All classes are live with hundreds of videos, but you do not have to watch hundreds of videos. If you want private mentoring and you need more hand holding, you have 6 months opportunity with all the videos, trading room and live classes and recordings included. If you want the software, not a problem. If you do not want the software, not a problem. Method traded for the last 10 years without software until July 2019. But if you say, I don't want to learn, I don't have time, I don't want to make an effort, then Alpha Fibonacci Profit Runner is for you. You can operate the software with very little effort. All you have to do is have knowledge of your platform. Because a fully automated software can do this, on backtesting results, it's showing the power of human mind. Profit run on single lot, backtesting performance on S&P since September 2018. But if you want to trade it all and you want to be unstoppable, listen and view what Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System students do. Choice is yours. What you want to trade. All you have to do, make an effort and be serious about trading. The sky's the limit, no matter what you trade. So please listen to the podcast, read testimonials, and do not hesitate to contact me. I always look forward to speaking with you. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. S&P stock. Sellers are weak. Market testing you to the core. But if you understand power versus weakness, if you understand trend versus counter trend move, you are never in trouble. This is your range for the last hour. And this is counter trend trade. That's holding the key. This alpha Fibonacci level. And when market starts crashing and burning, scanner gonna give you opportunity on 10, 15, 20 trades. But only when this level will be out. Until this level remains intact, it shows counter trend move remains. So when sell-off is coming next, brilliant trader will take advantage of market synchronicity. If not, if this level remains respected, counter trend move remains in a play. Agree? And that's ultimate precision of Alpha Fibonacci method. And that's spectacular reminder of Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone and the place you never enter into, the place you monitor for reversal from. And again, if I convert this chart to 15, identical formula would remain. Market extremely high. So if you're buying here, buying here, buying here versus buying here would make a world of difference in your trading. And if market starts crashing next, because this support is out, you will be rewarded. You will enjoy market synchronicity and you will enjoy market in free fall. Key moment on S&P that will determine market for the remainder of the day. And if S&P will finally go into free fall, it would be an amazing news. And if not, and if this level remains respected, sellers remain weak. It would mean it's a counter trend move. As you saw on Apple, despite worst earnings in 13 years when Apple rallied from. So combination of knowledge of price action, combination with software would make it a stress-free trading. And if this level respected again as on Apple, brilliant trader will walk without pain, without stress, without losing money, with a profitable trade. So when the scanner starts lighting up more and more short alerts, it's a beautiful news. It means sellers picking up this steam. And if the next 15-20 charts light up short, brilliant trader will ride free fall, not a counter trend move. Agree? And that remains the key. So an hour of this counter trend move, will markets finally start crashing? Or if this support will remain respected as it's been done on Apple? Again, if I go back to hourly chart, there is no surprise here. All spelled out many days in advance. As I warned you, bullish rally been overextended, market been extremely high. So if market starts crashing and burning, it would be a gift. But first things are first. This is a problem. The end of the minor trend. Sellers remain weak. Buyers continue defending this support as they've done on Apple. And that's the power of the method, no matter what you trade. 10 years later in 50 plus countries. Right now I work with students in Middle East who are trading Middle Eastern indexes. I work with incredible full-time doctor in Chicago who trading cryptocurrencies. I work with students who trading oil futures, gold futures, who trading stocks, who trading options. It is 100% up to you what you will decide to trade. As price action remains the same no matter what you trade. And if you wanna trade them all, why not? Of course, that option available to you. So pretty please take a look what other students trading, because you will find story that would relate to yours. Market remains in weak bearish correction. The end of the minor trend an hour later remains respected. And that's your critical target on your short. And if buyers step in again, you need to understand your ultimate alpha Fibonacci targets. Trading speculatively will never work. Trading with ultimate precision and ultimate accuracy does. So on this extremely challenging morning, when we dealt with overextended rally, when your only option to buy extremely high is present, and sellers remain in counter trend move, no matter what chart you trade, you are not surprised. You've been very well prepared. Agree? And that's S&P now on very powerful counter trend short. And when market starts crashing through, brilliant trader will trade the bearish synchronicity pain-free with much bigger targets. But until this will remain respected, it will remain counter trend move. It will remain ultimate brick wall. Exact same place where buyers stepped in from in overnight session well before market open. Ultimate place to buy, not the place to short into. And that's the market this morning. And that's overextended bullish rally with counter-trend bearish move. Software showing you clearly it's a critical support, not a place to short. Agree? A place to exit your short, as Jerry done brilliantly. And that's the key. So if you want to catch a lot more points in this market, you're trading with trend, not counter trend. Counter trend, this level is crucial. Only counter trend remains. Nothing else is possible. So if you choose to buy in this area, your success rate less than 20%. For the last hour, every single long in this area fails. That's the reason I named this level Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone. So, what is the problem on shorts? It's counter-trend move. The end of the minor trend remains an obstacle. And that's the market for the remainder of the day. Have a wonderful afternoon, everyone. You're serious about trading. You're serious about becoming quality trader. I look forward to working with you. Thank you, trader.